So guys, I was scrolling through Fiverr looking for gigs to devour and came across so many funny gigs. You could imagine, like, I don't even understand how people have these gigs on Fiverr and are really making a killing out of it, and it's even 5 star. Very funny. Welcome to my channel again once more, guys. It's your boy Vixie, and if you're new here, I basically talk about making money online and NFTs. Today we're going to look at Fiverr gigs that requires no skills. Guys, like, these are Fiverr gigs that require no skills, and this is about one video of this. And if you guys like this video, if I see the impression you guys give on this video, then you guys push me to make a part 2 of this video. But today I'm going to start with only 6. I'm going to show you guys 6 Fiverr gigs that requires no skills, guys. Like, you don't need to be a professional to start this. You can start this today as soon as you've set up your gigs online and you're good to go. So let's check out these gigs. So number one, we're going to start with, so number one on the list, guys, goes to building a landing page. So guys, if you come here and then type in building landing page, you can come down and see there are so many people building landing pages here. You can see I'll build a clickbank affiliate marketing sale funnel or landing page. So many people are clicking, have registered these gigs, and then they are really making a killing out of it. You can see, let's check out this guy here. Let's see what he has done. So guys, you can see in his page, it's just loaded up. You can see this guy's page, guys, and you can see this was charging for his basic plan, $10. This is charging $30 here, and here $100. And you can see what you're gonna get for $100. You can see everything here, and this is what you're gonna get. And so let me show you guys how to do this. You guys might be asking, okay, Vixie, I do not know how to create a landing page, so, and you said this is a no skill gig. Okay, so don't worry, let me show you guys. So when I want you guys to come to this website here that says Breezy, and you can see when you come here, you just register, just click, and then I have so many projects here. You could just click on a new project, and it's going to take you to this place where it's going to tell you to create a landing page. You can see landing page here, so you just click on that, create. So it brings you to this page, and then you're just going to click on this button, and you can see there are so many templates here that you can use to create a landing page. So it's already made for you, and you could just choose any one of this. Let's say you want to create okay, let's say you want to do this. You just click on it, and it's gonna bring us here where you could customize all of this. You could just change everything here, just put anything you want. My page, and you could just literally do everything. You could just put in your email, sign up, you understand, so many customizable. If you guys want me to make a full video about this, and you could just leave it in the comment section below. Say Vixie, make a full tutorial about how to use Breezy to create landing pages, well, and I'll do that for you guys. I got you guys. So number 2, website analysis. And guys, you can see here so many people are doing this, are rendering services for website analysis. So let me show you guys how you can do this, how you can use a free tool that can analyze any website, and then you send it to your clients if you get any job available. So I want you guys to come to this website here. It says SEO analyzer .me. So you just put in any website here, and it's going to analyze the website for you, and you're gonna send the website to the person for free. So let me use one of my blogging website. For this to show you guys something. And you're gonna paste it here, and then click on review here, and it's going to analyze the website for you, show you guys everything, every error, every mistakes you've done, and everything you need to improve, and so on. It's just analyzing everything basically. So guys, as you can see here, yeah, this is the website. It has finished analyzing it, and you can see this is the result it's giving out here. So you just come down here, you can see it has given all the result. This is great. You can see it has analyzed everything. And then how you could just get this the whole data for this analysis you just come here. Okay, so guys, after you finish checking everything and you want to get the whole information out there, you just click on this download report, and it's going to download everything for you guys. And then you could just after you has finished downloading everything for you guys, then you could just copy you could just take the downloaded information and send it. It's going to copy as a PDF, so you can see it has copied everything as a PDF. You just download everything and then send it to your client, and that is it, guys. So number three, guys, number three is called background remover. So guys, you can see so many people are removing background here, like literally they're removing background and then getting paid for doing this. You can see these people, this is what they're charging. This is charging $10, you can see, and if you enter, you're gonna see all what they're charging for this. And let me show you guys the sites that I recommend for this, because I love this site. Yes, background remover. You can see remove.pg is the site. So you just upload a picture here. You could drag a picture and put it here, and then you upload it, and it's gonna do the magic for you guys. Okay guys, so you can see this, I just got a picture here, and then let's drag this picture and see what the magic it does. Okay, let's close this. So you can see how it just removed this background here, and then you just download it, and then yeah, you send it to your client, and then you could do so many things with it. And that is that for that, guys. And then the fourth one, guys, now before I tell you guys the fourth one, guys, if you haven't smashed the like button and subscribe to this channel, please do that. I'm sure you're getting value from this video. I'm pretty sure you're getting value from this video. And if you're not getting value, no problem, I'll try to make it up to you. But if you're getting value from this video, subscribe and then like, and then turn up the notification bell, so each time I drop a video you're gonna get notified. So let's jump right into it now. So now the fourth one, guys, is called blog commenting. Guys, yeah, blog commenting. And this is not only blog commenting, guys. You could literally just comment in anyone's page depending on what you feel like doing. So you could just set up a gig telling people that you're going to comment on their Facebook page, on their Instagram page, on their Twitter page, on the YouTube page. You could just comment anywhere, guys, not only in blog, but you could just put that as your offer. So so guys, number five on the list, guys, is a very hilarious one, and this is very funny. You know, this is very funny because the available gigs here are very minimum. Not so much people are doing this, and it's very funny and hilarious. It is what it is. So it's dancing, guys, dancing, like literally dancing, guys. Yeah, you can see, look at the gigs that's available here, just 3,000 here, and you can see so many people are willing to dance for you and for their clients, and they're going to get paid. So you just set up a gig that you want to dance for anyone. Yeah, some of these people are dancing to artist songs, yeah, to artist beats, and so on and so forth. So you could just dance for maybe brands. So you just put up your gig here. You can see so many people are dancing and they're getting paid for this. So guys, this is another gig that you guys can work on. And you guys may say, I don't know how to dance, Vixie, and how can I do this? You must not know how to dance. You could meet a friend. I'm very sure you have a friend, or you know a friend that knows a friend that knows another friend that knows how to dance, guys. And you could just merge with these guys. You could tell them that this is what that you want to do. You want to start paying, or you just bring up your friends. Yeah, let's talk about this, let's start dancing, and or you can dance and I'll video you, and then we're gonna put it on Fiverr, and then we're gonna get paid, guys. Yeah, people are doing this, you too can do it. So it's possible, guys. So guys, this is the last one on my list, guys, and this is birthday videos, guys. Like happy birthday videos. You can sing. I'll make a movie intro, happy birthday video for you. Yeah, I will wish you a happy birthday video on my camel. You can see, look at people here, they are posting gigs on them wishing people happy birthday and getting paid. So you could just post a gig here. I will wish you happy birthday with my cow, I wish you happy birthday with my chicken, I wish you happy birthday with my dog, and yeah, you get paid. Like, guys, you can see these are Fiverr gigs that requires no skills, guys. Fiverr gigs These are Fiverr gigs that require no skills, like for real. They will require no skills, guys. You don't have to stress this. You could just start doing this right away, guys. You don't need a certificate to do this, guys. You do not need anything. You don't need an experience to do this, guys. So I've shown you guys how to do this, and that is that for that, guys. Found this video useful and you found any value from this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification bell. And if you're interested in more videos like mine, you are going to get notified. I'm coming up with more videos like this, guys, depending on how you guys like it and depending on how I see you guys relate to this video. Then I'm going to make a part 2. So if you want me to make a part 2 of this video, guys, I want you to comment down below saying I should make a part 2 of this video. So I'm going to research about other crazy gigs that requires no skills for you guys to actually put out gigs there to start making money online, guys. This is my job, to show you guys how to do this, guys. So once more again, I remain Vixie and remain blessed, guys. Peace.